The RYOBI 1600 PSI electric pressure washer. It's got a couple of different nozzles. And of course it has the other nozzle. They call that one, let's see what they call that. Oh, the turbo nozzle. 15 degree and soap. I'm just going to be taking some loose paint off today. Not going to be using any soap. This is the thing that sucks the soap up into the stream. And of course they give warnings, so you got to make sure you got to have adequate water pressure. Don't allow the hose to kink. Maximum setting for the water faucet. And certain chemicals you can't use or it'll damage the machine. They've got maximum length of hose, diameter. So basically you do need to read the directions or else you might destroy the machine. Now somebody was kind of rough with this thing and it was leaking right around here where that metal connector joins the plastic. I think it's molded into there. So I put some JB weld on it all the way around. We'll see how well that holds up as well. Well, it looks like the JB weld isn't quite holding up. Maybe I didn't get enough on, but it's still spraying around there. Well, let's see what it can do on the paint anyway. Well, I have to hold it pretty close up to get it to take the paint off, but it seems to be working. I just swapped out for this 15 degree nozzle. Let's see how that does. I don't know, it seems to be getting worse, leaking around these edges. So I don't know, might have to get a new wand. Yeah, this nozzle seems to do a lot better for the paint. Well, it would probably work even better if it wasn't losing pressure from this leak. Yeah, the wood is splintering a little bit. Now, I don't know why it does this. This thing was found on the side of the street by the guy who owns it now. So somebody got rid of it, but it's still working good enough, I guess.